Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's nail art, I'll be using Pretty Secrets Do-It-Yourself Nail Art Fimo Wheel. As you can see, the designs are a bit mixed up, so I'll be arranging them. And we also have two wooden sticks. Before proceeding with the nail art, I'll be organizing each design. So here's a time-lapse video of me arranging this by designs. Now that it's all sorted out, it's time to put it all back on the container. And we're done! It's time to do the nail art. I already applied a base coat before applying 3 different shades of green onto the tips of my nails, just like this. After doing it to all of my nails, I'm applying top coat. Then I'm placing this cute tiger. And that's it! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!